The compact dwelling explored in the feature titled Serene Sophistication stands as a definitive example of mindful habitation, expertly executing a complex design that marries refined interior artistry with the profound tranquility inherent in the Danish concept of Hygge. This structure is much more than a convenient shelter. It has been fundamentally designed as a personal retreat, where every dimension of the floor plan is consecrated to nurturing deep peace and mental quietude. Its architectural execution strikes a delicate yet powerful balance, showcasing impeccable taste alongside an overwhelming sense of invitation, thus powerfully demonstrating that the choice to drastically reduce one's square footage can paradoxically enrich the subtle, quiet luxuries of daily existence. The core design philosophy actively prioritizes the elimination of any visual dissonance, striving instead for a feeling of uninterrupted, effortless fluidity that culminates in a space feeling completely harmonious and deeply restorative. Stepping across the threshold confirms the home's purpose. It is a total, deliberate disconnect from external clamor, welcoming the occupant into a precisely curated environment of gentle, sophisticated beauty. A truly remarkable success within this tiny house is the meticulous deployment of an understated, nature-inspired palette and a variety of carefully selected organic textures, all collaborating to maintain an atmosphere of unbroken calm. The dominant visual language relies on soft, elemental hues encompassing creamy off-whites, subtle ash grays, pale woods, and delicate sage greens, all chosen to establish a cohesive, visually restful backdrop that intrinsically supports relaxation. This foundation of calm color is intelligently layered and enhanced by sensory components, such as layered, premium-grade fabrics, ergonomically comfortable seating, and often a cozy feature like a compact yet powerful heat source, together fostering an irresistible draw toward unhurried rest. The extensive presence of natural wood, typically lightly finished and elegantly detailed, infuses the space with a feeling of unpretentious durability and enduring charm. Furthermore, the internal environment is deliberately saturated with light. Generous, precisely positioned windows maximize the flow of daylight, a vital, non-negotiable component for achieving the true Hygge sensation. This abundant natural light, often beautifully complemented by soft, warm-hued accent lighting in the evenings, serves to both physically brighten the area and significantly uplift one's emotional state, powerfully connecting the home's comfort with the natural rhythm of the day. Looking past its evident aesthetic charm, the home's ultimate triumph lies in its brilliant, seamless fusion of high-performance utility with refined artistic grace, an achievement that elegantly circumvents the traditional spatial hurdles associated with minimalist living without ever yielding to visual disorder. Storage solutions are not merely added. They are masterfully integrated and entirely concealed within the structure, ensuring the home's clean sight lines and open feel are perpetually respected. The overall interior configuration is a marvel of spatial efficiency, frequently incorporating flexible, zone delineating elements, smart pieces of transforming furniture, and intelligent vertical maximization, often exemplified by a robust, beautifully integrated staircase that provides access to a surprisingly capacious sleeping area. The galley kitchen, often positioned as a core element, is outfitted with high-spec appliances and abundant working surfaces, signaling a clear dedication to supporting a robust, satisfying culinary and social life rather than restricting the homeowner to minimal meal prep. This intentional commitment to top-tier functional design, perfectly balanced with compelling visual appeal, is the precise factor that elevates this compact mobile unit from a simple, reduced-scale structure into a truly cherished, highly effective, and deeply soothing living space. The comprehensive Serene Sophistication walkthrough acts as a vivid source of inspiration, demonstrating unequivocally how a deliberate decision to live small can lead to a fundamental enrichment of one's everyday experience. Embracing a graceful, portable existence entirely permeated by the calming essence of Hygge. The true genius of this tiny dwelling transcends its obvious beauty. It resides in the flawless, sophisticated integration of maximum practical utility with an elevated, artful design sensibility.